Hi guys, had a really good time playing the Zoom game with you guys today, and I just want to talk a little bit more about that before we start our assignment. Okay, let's look at this fraction. This fraction says 4/5. Okay, if I had to draw a picture to show 4/5, now you know what? I could do it two ways. I could make something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or I could do something like this. Okay, both of these are sets of 5. Okay, they're both 5s. Now I need to color in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4/5. And I could do it this way too. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's also 4/5 because we have 5 total in each set, but we only colored 4 of them. Okay, good. Look at our next fraction. What's this one say? You're right, it's 2/3. Okay, so if we have 2/3, how many things should we have all together, or parts should we have all together? All right, hold on, I'm just erasing here. I need my eraser, but I don't have it, so we're going on. Okay, so let's see if I took this and I divided that into 3 pieces. That's one way to do it, right? Maybe I just want to draw 3 circles, okay? But I need 2/3. So how many should I color in? Well, since my numerator says 2, I need to color 2 in. 1, 2, 1, 2. And they both show 2/3. Okay, that's just like we did in the game today. All right, now, also as we did in the game today, I'm going to show you a picture, and you need to tell me what fraction it is. Now, you guys can keep playing this game with your parents at home or with your brothers and sisters. You can match them up. You can do lots of things with them. All right, if I look at this picture, kind of upside down, right, Frankie? It has 5 parts. So 5 is going to be is it going to be my numerator or my denominator? Oh, it's got to be my denominator because I have 5 parts. And how many parts are colored in? 1. So that's 1/5 of that figure is colored in. All right, let's try the next one. Look at this picture. It's going to be kind of hard for you to see. I'll get it closer. All right, you ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces all together. So 7 is our denominator because that's how many we have all together. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are colored. So this fraction is 5/7. Okay? All right, good. You keep practicing those with your cards. Don't get rid of them. All right, let's open our textbooks and go to page 446. Okay? All right. Now let's see what it says here. Hold on one second. Get rid of this again. Okay. Sorry about that. That should be 447. All right. 447. All right. Look at number 1. There was a circle there. There were 9 pieces all together, so that's why the denominator was 9, and they colored 1. All right. Look at number 2. That looks kind of familiar. I think we just did that one. That piece has 5 pieces all together, and they colored 1, so it's 1/5. So that's what you're going to do the first part. The second part, they're asking you to color 1 part of each item. All right, so if you look at number 15, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts again. 5 parts. And how many of those you're going to color 1? So if you color 1, your fraction is going to be 1/5. All right? All right, now let's talk about the word problems. It says here, Deborah's friends play a game with the spinner. The spinner has 5 equal parts. All right, so if they have 5 equal parts, what's my denominator going to be? That's right, 5. Because that's the number of equal parts. Then it says 2 parts are red, 2 more are yellow, and the rest is blue. What fractional part of the spinner is blue? So 2 red, 2 yellow, that leaves 1 to be blue. So 1/5 of that circle is blue. Okay, Frankie looked at me like he wasn't sure about that one. All right, let's look at the next one. The next one says, Leon gives Deborah a shirt for the design, a shirt with this design. It has 9 red squares and 1 white square. What fractional part of the design is not red? Now this is a little tricky because they didn't come right out and tell us how many squares there were. But they said that 9 of them were red and 1 was white. So that means that if I have 9 plus 1, then my denominator, the total number of squares, is 10. Okay, they're trying to trick us, but we're too smart for them. And they want to know what part is not red. Well, only one of them is white, so that means your fraction is 1/10. Okay, you guys are going to finish these 2 pages, and you're also going to do page 128 in your workbook, and then I gave you a worksheet on Google Classroom. So you're going to send me the worksheet, the workbook page, and the worksheet as your exit card today. All right, guys, I'll see you in reading class. Bye-bye.